Once there was an element so small, no one thought much of it at all. People used it to make coins and bells. Someday it could be used as a no-touch tool. Wouldn't that be cool? Here it is, made almost purely of copper. Pick it and stick it on almost any device. It forms to your smartphone. Isn't that nice? Like your shadow, now it's with you wherever you go. When you're ready to check out, it's always there for you to pull out. Copper Corner is also conductive. So whenever you need to sign your name, you just touch it and aim. You'll love it because it's so thin and slim, yet always there to save your skin. Other products fill your pockets. Ours is as small as a locket. The Copper Corner is made in 2 different styles, classy and flashy. Pick one that fits your lifestyle. It's a practical product with a very important aim, and that's why the Copper Corner team thinks it's not small at all. Oh, we almost forgot to mention, we also developed a no-touch extension. Add the halo handles to complete your smartphone protection.
Today, we live in a new world. With a heightened awareness of the dangers posed by everything we interact with, there recently has been a strong push for no-touch tools. The problem was, all of these other products were inconvenient, bulky, and unattractive. But what if we made a sleeker, more beautiful product that attaches to your phone and is always with you? From that idea, we started testing dozens of copper alloys, analyzing countless number of phone cases, and built a wide variety of prototypes. We settled on a recyclable copper alloy. Then after tons of trial and error, we perfected a multi-stage finishing process dialed perfectly to each available finish we offer. Copper Corner products are made with a perfect balance of elegance and utility, and the uncanny ability to be there when you need it and then disappear. Tooling is wrapping up and production is standing ready. All we need now is you.